So hello guys, in today's video we are going to understand, is there something wrong with our website? So the first thing you should always look in data is your day on day total users. So it will tell you whether there is a drop in your total users. If there is a sudden drop in your total user, then you should look for what are the major reasons that has caused the drop. The second most important thing to look for is engagement rate. If your engagement rate is below 40%, then it is a concerning reason. Here if you can see it is 80%, so it is a good engagement rate to consider for a website or app. Then third is the role of direct traffic. If you have a website and the direct traffic is greater than your organic traffic, then it is a concerning thing, as organic traffic is the only thing that has to be at the top in a website. Next goes to our GA4 and ads data. If you have views, trends, and if you match it with your Google Ads click, then it should make a directly relation, as Google Ads data for clicks should be directly proportional to your views. If it is not, then it is a concerning thing, and there can be reasons whether there is views less than clicks. So you have to check. Then coming to your conversation, if you have a website that has conversions, then you should always check, is there any zero conversion within the time range, or is it working as expected? If you see it is working as expected, so here there is no zero transaction. If you have zero conversion, then it is a concerning thing. So these are the top 5 things that you should always look in your website or app to check, is there something wrong in it. Hope this helps guys. Let me know if you have any queries in the comments.